been running through these nights with a broken soul, trying to patch up the past, but the scars still show. We were ride or die, now I ride alone. You ghosted my world, now my heart's your home. Got your text still saved in my late night notes. Every laugh, every fight, every dream we wrote. You were more than love, you were peace and war. Now I'm knocking on memories, begging for more. Come back to me, don't leave me here. You're the voice in my head I still wanna hear. Come back to me, don't fade away. I still got your name in every prayer I say. Now I scroll through your feed just to see your smile. You moved on, but I've been stuck here a while. Tribal bounds, late nights, drinks on ice, but nothing hits right, not a thing feels nice. Yeah, I front like I'm good, but I lie through teeth. Act cold in the day, but I cry in sleep. You were light in the dark, now it's dusk till dawn, and the silence you left just plays on and on. How do I move when my world stood still? I trade it all back, yeah, you know I will. This ain't about pride, it's about what's real. You were the one, still the one I
Come
feel.
back to me, don't leave me here. You're the voice in my head I still wanna hear. Come back to me, don't fade away. I still got your name in every prayer I say.
Yeah. If you ever hear this, just know I ain't letting go. Come back to me, please.
Yo, my case set.
Yeah. If you ever hear this, just know I ain't letting go. Come back to me, please. Yo, my case set.